Dear students, I am going to discuss your English 1, means English language. In ICSE, English 200 marks, literature 100 marks and English language 100 marks. Out of 100, 20 marks internal assessment. Internal assessment 20 marks and written exam 80 marks. Let us start pattern of the question. Pattern of questions. It is the toughest subject in ICSE. Most of the students keep less mark. A few students keep good marks because of practice. अगर इंग्लिश 1 में अच्छा मार्क रखना है तो रोज इंग्लिश पढ़ना है. Then we discuss about pattern of questions. First one, composition. Composition 20 marks. 300 to 350 words. Here you have to show your linguistic ability and first-hand experience. You choose your category which you prefer. Story writing, descriptive, narrative, argumentative, and picture writing. These are the categories. Story writing. This year one story writing camp about the secret. So story writing is not easy. I will say these things. After that, let me discuss about the pattern of the questions at first. Descriptive, narrative. I prefer this because without that type of effort, you can handle these things easily. Argumentative, for or against. While you are writing essay, at that time, introduction, how you introduce, how you come to the topic, enter the topic. Your eye-catching word will appreciate the examiner. Introduction, then body, then conclusion. Without conclusion, it is incomplete. How much time, how much weightage you have to given that things I will discuss later. Today you know pattern of the questions. Second, letter writing. In letter writing, two types of letter, formal and informal. 10 marks. Here I prefer formal. Formal means official letter. Informal, personal letter. In formal letter, you use specific words and it saves your time. Number 3, it is compulsory. One notice and another one email. Here no one reduce your mark if you have written nicely, if you have written according to what topic given. 5 mark 10. It is compulsory. Then 4, comprehension, comprehension 20 marks. Word meaning, it is difficult, not easy. 3 words comes. If you don't know the meaning of the words, then it cut. And answer the questions. Answer the questions. Questions 9 mark. Summary. Summary of the unseen pages 8 mark. 8, 9, 17, 20 marks. Happen. Then next we go to grammar. Grammar 20 marks. First tense 4 marks. You have to practice tense regularly, otherwise possibility of mistakes. Preposition 4 marks. 8 questions are there. Here also question 8. Then joining of sentence. Joining of sentence 4 mark. For transformation of sentence. Transformation of sentence 8 marks. These are the grammar section. In transformation of sentence, many patterns are there. Active, passive, direct, indirect, like that. If you practice regularly, then you can score good marks. And I am ready to teach all things I have experienced, because I also taught more than 20 years. Like, share and comment this video. If you not subscribe now to get earlier information. Thank you.